Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can create simple drum fills for your beats. Very simple. We're going to create a cool vibe, Afrobeat, then we're going to create nice transition or drum fills for it. So guys, let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright guys, we are in FS Studio now, so we're gonna start creating simple Afrobeat. Then I will show you how you can add your transitions. Okay, very simple. So subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna choose templates empty. Then we're gonna set the tempo to 100 bpm. Then let me pick simple elements. I'm gonna use this rim, then this kick. Okay, so let's create simple Afrobeat groove. I'm gonna keep everything simple like that. Go to the piano roll. Then I'm gonna fill the bass. Very simple, guys. Alright, so let's add a kick. Very simple. Let's delete this, make things simple. Alright, so let's place that one on the playlist, change this to song. Okay, then guys, I'm gonna drag in some cool guitar Afro loop. Let's use this. I'm just putting it here because we're gonna do the transition over here. Let's fill this bar and this one. Very simple. Okay, so guys, let's zoom in. Alright, then let me change this to beat. Okay, then we're gonna chop here. Okay, so guys, we're gonna create a transition over here. So to do that, make sure you select cinematic samples. Okay, so we're gonna choose this. Let's try and listen. We're gonna create that over here. Okay, then put this one here. Let me change this to 1/3 beat. Then bring this over here. Okay, okay, so let's bring this one here. Let's listen. Okay, then we're gonna add conga. This conga is gonna be here. Drag it like this 3 times. Okay, then let's tag them. Okay guys, then we're gonna consolidate from track start. Okay, then what we're gonna do is to create automation for panning. Alright, then we're gonna automate this to create something like this. Okay guys, so let's listen to it alone, the automation. Okay, so from left to right. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna add shaker loop to that side. Let's change this back to beat. Add the shaker loop, then double click, change the time phrase to 2 bars. Okay, then we're gonna reduce it a little bit. Then we're gonna fill the other bar. Okay guys, so let's reduce this volume a little bit. Let's listen. see that? So guys, I'm gonna add something crazy. Okay, so let me look for 808. I'm gonna put 808 here, then I'm gonna reverse it. Okay, let's reverse the 808, change this to 1/3, bring it back, then we're gonna reduce the volume a little bit. So guys, let's listen. Crazy, man. Guys, so you can create another one here. What you can do is even select this, duplicate, place them here. Okay, then you can choose any of these. Okay, something like this. Very simple, guys. So let's move on to the next one, which I'll show you using FPC from FL Studio. Okay, so this time we're gonna delay this, then I'm gonna show you another way to create your drums first using FPC. Very simple. So let's create another pattern. Okay, change this to beat, then place it here. Okay, we're gonna do the same transition here, then over here we're gonna load FPC. Okay, so FPC is loading. All right, so we're gonna go to the piano roll. Okay, let's change this to steps. Let's try and create cool transition, then put it here. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you, so you can do that. But first of all, you have to create a thing in your head, okay, so that you can make it more realistic. Boom. Okay. Then what I will do is to layer this, and I'm gonna control the volume like this. Okay, guys, you see, you can even make this one short, half steps. Let's reduce them, highlight them, then we're gonna reduce them. Okay, very simple. So let's listen. Okay, so guys, let's listen to it. Okay, then you can put this clap here. Let's reduce it. Let's bring in crash. You can go for a crash. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna reverse it, then make sure you place it on time. Okay, so let's zoom in, then we change this to event. Okay, then we're gonna reduce the volume a little bit. Okay, guys, so now let's listen to it. can just duplicate it whenever you want to use the same drum fill. Okay, but create something different. Okay, don't repeat it always. Change this to beat. Okay, then you can make this unique. Go to the piano roll, then create something different. I'm gonna delete this. Let's bring it here and listen. Guys, you hear that? Let's listen to it. Alright guys, so let's move on to the other ways that you can create your own drum fills. Let's delete this. Okay, then I'm gonna delete FPC. Very simple guys. So this one too, we're gonna use our own samples. Okay, so let's go for the default ones. So that one you have to play it on the channel rack. Okay, then anything that you want. Okay guys, so let's try and add something over here. Pum pum pum. Pum pum. Okay, so make it interesting. Let's see. All right, let's listen. Okay, so guys, very simple. Just sit down and be creative when using this. Okay, let me increase the volume a little bit so that I can hear. Very simple guys. Then what you can also do is to use an already drum fills that is created by another producer. Okay, very simple. Let me look for some. So transitions and rows, you can use any of them. Okay, so let's use this. Change this to event. Okay, then we're gonna reduce the volume. Then we're gonna reverse it like this. Reduce the volume guys. So let's listen. Okay, then you can add something if you want. Change this to beat. Reduce the volume. Okay, guys, so this is how you can create your own drum fills. Very simple. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God Science, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.